If you're rinsing, I mean, what else do we rinse and call clean? You don't rinse your plates. You don't just rinse your hair. You don't just even rinse your dog. You've got to clean properly. And we created E-Cleaner to really remove what water can't. And you're getting up to 99.99% of the wax, pesticide residue, and the nasty stuff that can carry bacteria that can really make you sick. And a lot of what can hurt you, you can't see. You know, so we're talking about wax, we're talking about pesticide residue, we're talking about contaminants that can carry foodborne illness that can really make you sick. In fact, leafy greens are the #1 cause of foodborne illness. Normally, what do you do when you bring home your produce? You bring it home, you rinse it with a little bit of water. You see how it beads up on the surface? It really doesn't do much. I'm gonna let the broccoli sit in there for just a second, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add our brand new, this is brand new, we haven't even sold this on our website, this is brand new on HSN, we're so thrilled. You're gonna take 1 packet of the powder and you're gonna dispense it into a gallon of water. You can just do this right in your sink or in a clean bowl, and we're gonna take that, we're just gonna give it a quick mix. It dissolves pretty much on contact. And the great thing about this is with 1 packet, you can clean up to 30 pounds of produce. So with 1 box, you're cleaning up to 300 pounds of produce. We created this system so you can put your produce into the reusable mesh bags. I'm gonna add those right in. And you can use the bags or you can put it right into the solution. It sure won't hurt it. But this is great for your leafy greens, maybe your berries, things that are loose that can float around. You just place them right into the bag. And the unique thing about E-Cleaner is we formulated it to help your produce last up to 5 times longer. So if you take a look at the kale here and the strawberries, those are 8 days old. So you can see just the volume difference in the kale. When you're in the store, how many pieces of produce do you touch? You know, it could be touched by 30, 40 different sets of hands. 10 of those packets, which can clean up to 300 pounds. And you know, the average family throws away about $50 worth of fresh food every month. So you are saving so much more money by doing this. And what a waste. I mean, I always feel so bad when I throw good food away because that's money down the drain. You're gonna take your produce just right out of the water, out of the solution, and then these bags can go right into the refrigerator. So it's truly a wash and storage system. It's a blend of antioxidants, fruit acids, and minerals that help to not only remove what water can't, because a lot of those, a lot of the waxes and pesticides are oil-based, and water can't remove those oil-based. Can you see the difference?
Color is better.
They're just gonna inhale the food when it looks this pretty. Even the skin of those, because you know what I always say, if you're going to use the outside, you're gonna zest your lemons or even just slice through them. Whatever is on the surface can then cross-contaminate to the center. Even if you're not gonna eat it or use the zest for anything or the peel, you still wanna make sure that you clean it properly because a lot of bacteria can sit on the surface.